Hi guys, this is Holly Buzz with Bonnie
and Bill.
Miley Cyrus and Katy Perry are in the midst of a huge feud. And now Miley has laid an enormous diss on Katy Perry.
Okay, first off, a little background here. Katy Perry went to Miley Cyrus's LA stop on the Bangers tour. During the show, walked up to the stage where Miley bent down and gave her a kiss. Now, things got a little weird when Miley started to deep kiss her and Katy pulled away. However, on March 4th, Katy Perry went on Australian television and did an interview about why she didn't go in for the big kiss.
I just walked up to her to give her like a friendly girly kiss, you know, as us girls do. And then she like tried to move her head and go deeper, and I pulled away.
Yeah. Oh.
God knows where that tongue has been.
I was going to say that.
We don't know. That tongue is so infamous.
Now, Miley Cyrus has fired back at Katy with a new tweet slamming Katy and John Mayer, saying, "If you're worried about where tongues have been, good thing your ex-boo is your ex, cause we all know where that has been."
Now, of course, Miley is referring to John Mayer, who Katy Perry recently broke up with, and the laundry list of girls that he's dated.
And Taylor Swift actually wrote a song about him. He's dated Jessica Simpson, who he called sexual napalm. He dated Cameron Diaz, Minka Kelly, Jennifer Aniston, Kristen Cavallari, and he even went on a date with Kim Kardashian. But this is the craziest twist. John was even spotted making out with Miley at the Grammys in 2011.
Bonnie, this feud is crazy, but you need to tell us what you think. Click on us or above to subscribe and tell us, are you Team Miley or Team Katy?